On this video, I'm going to be making Ghana fufu, which is plantain and cassava. So if you're interested, watch to the end and help me to share. So I have here with me unripe plantain and cassava. I'm just going to peel it off, chop them into smaller sizes, wash it neatly as usual, put it in my blender and blend. So while I was reading the comment section, someone said to me, "You love to swallow and yet you haven't tried Ghana fufu." I was like, "What is Ghana fufu?" And she said plantain and cassava. So she wrote in the comment section how I'm going to make it. Since I love to try new things, guys, see me there for kitchen. I don't do them already. So I'm just going to peel off the cassava as well and then chop it into smaller sizes, wash it neatly and blend. One thing about me is that I love to try things, more especially if it's food. I go cook am o. So today's special hug goes to Princess watching me from Nigeria. Thank you so much, Princess, for watching my videos. I really appreciate. Let me know where you're watching this video from so that on my next video, I am going to send you a hug. And if you like this video, please help me to share it so that it gets to a wider audience. So next, I am going to wash it and then put it in my blender and blend. Someone told me in the comment section, "This your blender don't see shaggy." More blender what I buy for 110 pounds. It's supposed to do in work well. So guys, when you are blending it, don't put too much water on it. Just little water, the way you can blend it smooth like this. And then I transfer it into the pot and let the process begin. So remember to reduce the heat of your stove. You don't need too much heat on this. And continue to stir it until you get the texture you want. As you can see, it is started to form into fufu. For those of you that love to swallow, tell me, are you going to try this, guys? Take a look at this. It's really stretchy. Like they start waiting for this food too much. See how stretchy it is, guys. It really came out nice. I think I'm loving it. So I continue to stir it. Next, I'm going to add little water on it and then I'll cover it to cook for about 3 minutes. And then that is it. My Ghana fufu is ready. Ghana, oh yeah, I hope I get this thing. So if you're watching me from Ghana, let me know if I made this nice or is there anything I need to add on it to make it look a little bit stronger because it's really sticky. So I try to use my plastic foil to put it in order, but the thing no work. So I wrapped it and allow it to cool down for about 20 minutes. Even as at then, it was still sticky. So now tell me, does this right here look like something you would love to try? Let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching this video from Ghana, let me know if I made this fufu the way I supposed to make it, guys. So I went in with my draw soup because this type of fufu, na draw soup good with that. It looked nice, was really smooth on my throat, but I don't think it's something I will eat frequently because it has a lot of starch on it. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.